Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I made my Harley Quinn costume from the Suicide Squad. First, I start with this pattern to make the base of the dress. I used a heavy, stretchy red fabric for it. After I'm done sewing the base of the dress, I take a sheer red mesh fabric and pin it and pleat it. Once it's all pinned down and I'm happy with how it looks, I sew it on. And then I do the same thing on the other side. I put the mesh on the fabric, pin it in place, then sew it on. Now I'm going to show you how I did all the ruffles. First, I took the same red mesh fabric and folded a strip of it in half. Then I put a loose, straight stitch along the edge of the fold. Next, I take one of the threads and pull it tight and it should gather the fabric. I do the same thing with the regular red fabric, but instead of folding it to make 2 layers, I only use one. Here you can see me spreading out the gathered fabric to make the ruffle more consistent. Next, I sew on the 3 layers of ruffled fabric from the waist down the skirt. I sew on 1 layer at a time, then cut the end of it straight. Each layer has 2 sheer strips and 1 regular strip of red fabric. As I work my way down the dress, I trace and then cut out where I want the ripped slit on the side. Then I just cut off the fabric. I also add a strip of fabric to the opposite side of the slit to make it a little longer. And then I finish it with some more layers of ruffles all the way down. Next, I'm going to show you how I make the sleeves. I took a strip of red sheer fabric and bunched it up on both sides. Then I took a strip of regular red fabric and made a little loop that fits around my upper arm. And I attached the sheer fabric to that. Here's what it looks like all sewed together. Then I take another strip of sheer fabric and make a little bow. And I attach that to the sleeve. Then I pin the sleeves to the dress and sew them on. Here you can see the dress completely sewn together. But that's not all I did. I also dark washed the entire dress with watered down black acrylic craft paint. And I let that dry. Once it was dry, I realized in a video that her dress actually sparkles. So I went over all the fabric lightly with some red glitter glue. And I just spread it out with a paper towel. Then I let it dry and this is how it looks. Now that we're done with the red part of the dress, I make the white underskirt with the same pattern, but I skip the top half of the dress. Then I put on the red dress over it so I know where to rip the bottom of the white skirt. And then I just start cutting the excess fabric off. This can be super messy looking because she literally just tears her dress in the movie. After I cut the extra fabric off, I sew on some sheer white strips of fabric. Here you can see the dress completely finished, and I just accessorized with some combat boots. Now I'm going to show you how I made my Harley Quinn wig. I was having a lot of trouble finding a 3-tone lace front wig for her, so I just started with a blonde lace front wig. And then I separated the hair and cut a bunch of the hair underneath off. I cut it off all the way to the base of the wig so you could replace it with some red and black hair. Now I just take some strips of the black hair and glue it on with a hot glue gun. Then I trim the edge of the blonde hair to make it a little less blunt. And I paint over the ends of it with a black paint to blend it in. I also left some much longer layers of hair at the top of my part so I could blend it even more. And then I paint that black as well. Because the black paint is so different from the blonde hair, the blonde still shows up a bit underneath and you have to use a lot more paint, which makes the hair more stiff. Which I don't mind at all personally because it's just for a costume and it looks fine. But if you're really picky about how your wigs feel, you can also use black synthetic dye or black permanent marker. And I do the same thing for the red side. If you don't feel like doing this, I will add a link in the description for a wig that isn't lace front but already has these colors. And that's pretty much it for the wig. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful or entertaining. I will also add a bunch of helpful links in the description. I do have a Harley Quinn tutorial for this makeup look on my channel, as well as so many other cosplay makeup and costume tutorials. So feel free to go check those out. Let me know what costume you would like to see me make next. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye!